Hello. Hi everyone, we've just been to the shops and we've got a big load of groceries, so that's good. We can fill up the cupboards and fridge. And now we're taking Koda to get his ears tested. So it's a just a general thing they do when they're newborn, just to test their hearing and stuff like that. So we're going to take him into hospital to the outpatient area, and this is literally the last appointment that they'll have at that hospital because they've just closed it down. Let you come with us, and yeah, hopefully his hearing's all good. I'm pretty sure it is because every time there's a big noise he startles, so I'm not really too concerned about his hearing at this point in time. But anyway, it's good to know that they can test it at this young age. So here he is in his little chair. I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Hello, mister. So we'll check in with you when we get there. See ya.
A bit of moisturiser on him just to where the sensors go. You've probably been filmed many times if you've been have you?
Yeah.
So this would have been done 10 years ago on your little people.
Yeah.
So we haven't changed it. Some of the machines might look different, but what we put on the babies has stayed the same. So these are little sensors that go, that pick up the brain's response to sound. Did I put some? Yeah. And these are the little earphones that deliver that sound. You're being a good bubba now, aren't you? So, right, I'll just lift. Oh, there's some cold over that here. That's all right that you're leaning on that because the little sounds come out inside the earphone, so you don't interfere.
That's so big. Looks cute.
It's probably a bit hard to see from the back.
Hang on. He looks like a little caterpillar. DJ.
Sounds go along the ear canal to the eardrum. When sound hits your eardrum, it vibrates it, and the vibration needs to move the little bones of hearing. So they sit in your middle ear, so that's where we have a lot of mucus and that, and we drain down. So if these move freely, this bone taps on the cochlea, the hairs vibrate, message goes up the nerve to the brain. So we need to get the sound from there to there, and if we do, we know everything's functioning. So sound stays 35 decibels. The frequency changes from 700 to 4,000. And that's because your cochlear hairs pick up different frequencies. So what we're actually looking for on this machine is there's little numbers here. So this is the right ear and the left ear. And every 500 sounds, we look to see if they respond, and if they do, they get a black bar. So he's responding on the right. He hasn't had enough sounds in the left. So they don't need to respond at the same time. They just need to both get all the way across eventually. So we've got 15,000 sounds with which to get a result, and they need to match 1,000 of them. So how quiet he is, how many sounds go through, it all just depends. So it does go a little bit slower when they're feeding. So now it's just a matter of waiting for that to happen. If they get 2 passes today, there's no follow-up unless you're concerned or worried. So you monitor language development. If they're developing language, they're still hearing, but he might go to the next 500 as well, so not yet. Hopefully soon.
So Koda and I are just going for a little walk now. Got him in this wrap sling, and he loves it. It's so cute. How cute are these little noises that they make? So cute. We're going to go see what Blaine's doing outside. He's been working in the garden and he's building a new veggie patch, so go check it out. Comes Jakey.
Good boy. Yep. Good boy. Ready?
Got it. Good boy. So this is what's happening at the veggie patch. Blaine's just prepping the ground, and we're gonna put something like this length and maybe a metre or so wide along here where he's working. So it should look good once it's done. Not sure what to plant in it yet, so if you've got any advice or ideas, leave a comment below. That'd be really helpful.